Silent firepower, Turkey's laser truck, and the future of defense. The battlefield is evolving, and the weapons of tomorrow are beginning to look very different from the cannons, rifles, and missiles that defined centuries of warfare. In Turkey, engineers and defense specialists have unveiled a military innovation that seems pulled straight from the pages of science fiction, a laser-equipped truck capable of shooting down drones more than a mile away. No bullets, no missiles, just beams of light traveling at 186,000 miles per second. It is defense at the speed of photons, and it may mark the dawn of a new era in military technology, a weapon that doesn't sound like one nicknamed the laser truck. This vehicle represents a leap into directed energy warfare, unlike conventional weapons, which rely on explosive projectiles or kinetic force. The laser truck uses invisible beams to disable or destroy aerial threats. Operators can lock onto a moving drone and vaporize it in seconds. The process is silent, precise, and leaves no debris behind. For soldiers on the ground, the absence of noise and collateral damage is as revolutionary as the weapon itself. The most powerful strike may now be the one you never hear. Why drones changed the game. The rise of drones has transformed modern combat. Small, inexpensive, and easily deployed, drones can surveil, disrupt, or even deliver explosives with devastating effect. They are difficult to detect and harder to stop. Traditional anti-aircraft systems, missiles, machine guns, or electronic jammers struggle to keep pace with swarms of drones that can overwhelm defenses. The laser truck was designed to meet this challenge head-on. By harnessing directed energy, it offers a solution that is instantaneous, cost-effective, and scalable. Each shot of light costs far less than a missile, and unlike ammunition, it never runs out. Engineering the impossible. Developing such a system required breakthroughs in optics, power generation, and targeting. The truck carries a high-energy laser mounted on a stabilized platform, capable of tracking fast-moving aerial targets. Advanced sensors and software allow operators to lock onto drones even in complex environments. Once the beam is fired, the drone's electronics or structure are rapidly disabled, causing it to crash harmlessly. The elegance of the system lies in its simplicity, light as a weapon, harnessed and directed with surgical precision. Strategic applications. The laser truck is not just a technological marvel, it is a strategic asset. Military bases, convoys, and critical infrastructure are increasingly vulnerable to drone attacks. Traditional defenses often create noise, debris, or collateral damage, which can be dangerous in populated areas. The laser truck avoids these pitfalls. It can protect airports, power plants, or urban centers without alarming civilians or damaging property. For convoys moving through contested regions, the ability to silently neutralize threats could be the difference between survival and disaster. Testing and deployment reports indicate that Turkey has already begun testing the system in real-world scenarios. Early demonstrations show drones being destroyed mid-flight with remarkable efficiency. While the technology is still in development, its potential is clear. Defense analysts suggest that directed energy weapons like the laser truck could become standard equipment in militaries worldwide within the next decade. The battlefield is changing, and Turkey is positioning itself at the forefront of that transformation. The broader implications. The emergence of directed energy weapons raises profound questions. How will international law adapt to weapons that leave no trace? What happens when silent beams replace explosive projectiles as the dominant form of defense? And how will adversaries respond to a technology that renders drone warfare obsolete? These questions highlight the disruptive nature of the laser truck. It is not just a new weapon, it is a paradigm shift, a glimpse of tomorrow for centuries. The sound of battle has been defined by gunfire, explosions, and the roar of engines. The laser truck suggests a future where war may be fought in silence, where invisible beams replace bullets, and where the most powerful weapon no longer makes a sound. It is a reminder that technology continually reshapes the human experience of conflict, just as gunpowder once replaced swords and missiles replaced artillery. Directed energy may now replace conventional firepower.